أعوذ بكلمات الله تامة من شر ما هلك. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Sobolo recipe, our authentic hibiscus drink. This drink is very healthy and it's very easy to make, yet so delicious. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to your girl and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload new video. With the ingredients, we have the hibiscus flower, which is the sobolo. We have some ginger, some clove, some Selim grains. We have some pineapple and some vanilla essence. Some sugar as well for sweetener. But with that, you can use any sweetener of your choice. And you can omit the vanilla essence as well. So to start, you make sure you wash it very well. And so the secret to this perfect sobolo is you would have to cook it 2 times, which I'll be doing in this recipe. So first of all, I washed everything. Then I cooked it for the first time. Added enough water to cook it. This cooking will take like 10 minutes at most. And then while that was cooking, I went ahead to add my pineapple and the rest of the ingredients, which is the ginger, the grain of Selim, which is kimba in Hausa, and some clove. Then I will add some water to blend it until it's smooth. Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim subscribers and viewers. May Allah accept our ibadah. If you are watching this video, today is our first Ramadan. May Allah make it easy on us and accept from us. So I cook it for 10 minutes, then I went ahead to drain it. I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients at this point. So I added the peels of the pineapple. I will be adding some celery and some cucumbers. I added this because it's in Ramadan, and as you already know, this hibiscus flower has health benefits, and so we make sure we had some hydrating factor to it. And if we are fasting, we just have to do it right. So I added some cucumber and some celery for it hydration, and with the cucumber, it's gonna give it some freshness into it. Added the rest of the herbs and then added some water. Then I cover it to cook. Look at this thickness. And over here, I didn't want any chaff under my sobolo, so yeah, I make sure I was just doing it very cutesy and very demure. Then I went ahead to drain my ginger and the rest of the ingredients that we blended earlier. After straining it, I'm gonna add the rest of the chaff into the sobolo. So the reason why you have to cook it 2 times is after cooking the first one is gonna give you the very thick sobolo. Then the rest you can add any fruit or the rest of the ingredient to cook it. Yeah, so after draining everything, I went ahead to add it into the sobolo and cook everything. I will be adding some apple as well. So yeah, the apple serve as a vitamin C for the sobolo. That's why I added. And as I mentioned earlier, we are fasting, and so we have to be very careful about what we take inside. So yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope each and every one of you is doing wonderfully well. I'm doing great, and yeah, I added the apple and I cover it to cook. Meanwhile, I went ahead to continue with this red wine at this point. So over here, I went ahead to drain the ginger and the pineapple that we blended earlier again into the first sobolo that we strained. Okay, and then I'll mix everything. Over here, I had the sugar. I didn't want a lot of sugar, but I'm gonna go ahead to leave all the ingredients down below. This sobolo is very healthy, and yeah, it will be very nice for you to break your fast. And yeah, so over here I cooked the other one and I was just straining it. After straining it, I'm gonna go ahead to mix it with the thicker one. Yes, this sobolo was very delicious, and at this point I haven't added the vanilla flavor yet. I will add everything at the that will be the last thing to add. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I normally upload a video on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 2 p.m, which is Ghana 7 o'clock. So yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have any recipe you want me to try. Yeah, and stay tuned because I have some more Ramadan recipes that I'll be uploading. So after straining everything, I went ahead to add my vanilla essence. I made a lot of sobolo because I will be giving out to some of my loved ones. And in Ramadan is the time for giving. So yeah, after everything, it's now time for us to serve and enjoy. As my toddler was right there waiting for me to taste. Yes, she's normally the one that tastes my food and she loves it. Look at that. And it doesn't take time for you to romanticize whatever you are eating. And look at that. Like, you wouldn't even know this is Sobolo. It's giving rich red wine. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Until my next one, stay safe, be blessed, and bye.